guys, welcome back to my channel. So Sabtarjong se MTI and there was a lot of traffic and last time I thought like the sun was too pretty, so I had to capture it. There it is. So this is my outfit, and now I'm at Hotpot. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have my food, and then I have to buy some stuff, and then my bus is around 10:30. Yeah, I'm leaving to Dehradun to see my granny, and I'm all alone. Like my sister is already there. Hey, थोड़ा ice cube मिलेगा? So my sister and mom are all there, okay, so I have to go alone, like, since after a very long time I'm traveling all alone, and it feels so weird without you, Kesang. I miss you. I know I'm gonna see you tomorrow, but still I miss you. So that keema noodle is my favorite, like, it's in Hotpot restaurant. You can find a keema noodle with soup, okay, that's my favorite, like, since very long time, it's like, still my favorite. So it's really tasty, and I'm so hungry, and I'm not gonna order any other stuff because I know I can't able to eat it all. So I'm just gonna have that keema noodle only because it's in huge amount, you know. So I think thoda bach jayega. That's it. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm waiting for my order. I'll show you my noodle, okay? You might have seen it before, but let me show you all again. So guys, I just asked for like some ice cubes, and I'm gonna drink with Coke. Ice cube and Coke. Perfect. And like, it's always like, most of the time it's empty. So guys, this is the noodle that I'm talking about, and it's so yummy. Like, I love this. So guys, so मेरा noodle आ चुका है, and I'm like, मैं खाने वाली हूँ, like, टूट पड़ने वाली हूँ. Like, I'm so hungry, and it feels so strange to like come to a restaurant and eat alone. Like, this is not my thing, you know. I can't do it. So I'll be shooting after this. Like, I'm just done. So I'm gonna go live in my Instagram. So this is my Instagram, guys. Do follow me if you haven't. And I'm gonna go live, and I'll catch you after that. So yeah. So I've made into the bus. This is my seat, the first one. I've got one water, my peach iced tea, my purse, and my pillow. So now I'm in my bus, and the driver just told me that I'll reach by like 4 in the morning, and it's way too early. I have to call my brother, and I haven't slept last night. Like, I slept for like only for like 3.5 hours. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna sleep. I'm so damn tired. Not tired actually, I'm so like sleepy. And I'm gonna sleep, and then see you tomorrow. Good night, bye. So guys, this is my bus, and I've just reached, and my bus just show up. We are going on the bullet. Did you miss me, my boy? Huh? Did Did you miss me? Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Yeah. Jump. Did you miss me? I miss you. I miss you. I miss you, Majnu.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wait. Yeah. Jump.
Tiptoe. OMG. This is how he greets me. So guys, मेरे आने की खुशी में मोमो बन रही है घर में. Because you know I love momo. So like एक मोमो से तो मेरा पेट भरने वाला नहीं है. So they are making layer of it. Everything like you guys, if you have never like eat this chili na, then तुमने क्या खाया भाई? तुमने ये मिर्ची नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया भाई? Okay guys, momo. I'm so hungry. 4 layers of momos. So I'm gonna have like 10 momos for now. Let's see. कितना खाती हो भाई? So guys, I'm here to have cold kappa. Like it's been so long. I'm gonna eat it.
Cold
kappa.
Di mere business ne bhi.
당저 골가버스네. 진이 와스랑 저 바자. 바자도 참전 수죠. 아니 카페 조치는 나저 직 드링ks 조치 동거 섬수야. Yep. 저도 된다. Okay guys, then like I'm gonna close out today's video, and I have to go somewhere with my sister, and I got some stuff to do, and like I'm gonna close out today's video right here, and stay tuned for my next vlog because I'm going like some other place. Like I'll show you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, bye, see ya, toodles, love y'all.